Hello, friends. Thank you and welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. In today's video, I share with you how I make my big batch Ghana spinach stew or Palava sauce. Let's get right into it. Into my blender, I add in water, melon seed, onion, garlic, ginger, habanero pepper, and then blend until it is smooth. To a pot, I'll add in my preferred amount of palm oil, and then I'll add in my fermented salted fish or momone. You can use Kobe for this as well, or salted tilapia. I'll fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'll add in my sliced onion. I'll give it a good mix and then fry everything together for 5 minutes. After frying the onion for about 5 minutes, I'll add in about 12 ounces of tomato paste, give it a good stir, and allow that to fry for about 5 minutes. I'll then add in mackerel in tomato sauce and tuna. I'll give it a good mix and allow everything to fry for about 10 minutes. You can use any protein of choice. After 10 minutes, I'll add in my blended melon seed with vegetables, and then I will give it a gentle stir. At this point, we'll be covering it for about 10 minutes, stirring periodically. If today is your first time on this channel, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. To my amazing returning subscribers, thank you so much for your massive support. Thank you for sharing and commenting on my videos. God richly bless you. I'll check on my stew, give it another gentle stir, and then I'll add in carrots and mushrooms. You can add any vegetables of choice. I'll give it a stir and cover it for another 10 minutes or until oil settles on top. That is an indication that the melon seed and everything is very well cooked. I'll then add in my spinach. This was frozen. I thawed it and squeezed out all the excess water, and then I'm adding it to my stew. This is about 12 pounds of frozen spinach that I thawed and squeezed out the excess water. Everything is nicely combined together at this point. I'll add in about a tablespoon of salt, but I added a half a tablespoon at a time, and then I'll give it a stir. If you notice, I did not add any stock cube to this stew. You can add any seasoning or any stock cube of choice. And please add the salt to your taste. And at this point, the stew is perfectly cooked and it is looking so delicious. You can pair this with everything: rice, yam, plantain, eba, or any starch of choice. Anytime I make big batch of spinach stew, I make sure to freeze most of it and then refrigerate some of it. I hope you give this recipe a try, and if you do, please kindly leave me a feedback and let me know how it turned out. Thank you so much for staying with me until this time. Please stay safe and stay blessed. Bye, guys.